Welcome back, dear students. In previous class, we learned about different types of animals and birds. Now, we will learn about animals and their homes. Everyone needs a home. We all feel very safe in our home. After the school gets over, all of us are so eager to reach back to our sweet home. Do you think animals need home? Yes, all animals need home to keep themselves safe from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. Let's see some animals and their homes. A dog lives in a kennel. Birds live in a nest. A lion lives in a den. A rabbit lives in a burrow. It is a pet rabbit. Its home is known as hutch. A horse lives in a stable. Now we will see about cats of the wild. In the wild, there are big cats. A tiger is the largest cat in the world. A lion. It is known as the king of the jungle. It is the second largest cat in the world. A jaguar. It is the third largest cat in the world. A puma. It can jump very high and is also called a mountain lion in the USA and Canada. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Thank you.